In this video, we will see how to create database in PostgreSQL. So for that, let me connect to my PostgreSQL database, which is currently running on Amazon RDS, and we will connect this database using psql from EC2 instance. So this is my EC2 machine, which is already running. This is unum-a. This is Amazon Linux 2 machine. Okay, and from here we will access the PostgreSQL database. So this is the syntax to connect RDS instance, psql, a host name, we will write the endpoint connection string, and there's a port number, this is the DB name, and this is the username. So let me connect first, just copy paste. It is asking for the password. Here you need to put the password which was created during database creation. Okay, now you see we have already connected the PostgreSQL. Okay, here we can create database using two commands. This is the basic command, create database cells. So basic command, what basic command do? You no need to specify any custom settings. It will pick the default template, and whatever user you connected to the database, it will create the database under that user. Okay, so let me create this, create database. We will see both the ways, and see database is created. Okay, now this created new database named cells with default setting. The default template is template 1, default encoding is UTF-8. So you are not specifying anything like custom, and it will honor will be the current user. Oh, like we corrected using PostgreSQL. So this database created under which user? Postgre user. Okay, now we will list down the database later. Okay, now the third steps, we can create database using this command as well. This is a custom command with full option. For example, create database sample db with, here we are specifying owner, who is the owner of this database, Postgres. Template, we are cloning the default template. Encoding UTF-8, and LC logging, we are specifying whatever settings. So this command is useful whenever you are working in a real environment and the client is having some configuration, like a specific configuration, then we can use this command like this. Okay, this is the basic command, this is the full command. And table space, pg default table space, allow connection true, connection limit we can specify 50, is template false. Okay, this is not template. And here I put it some information just for information purpose. So owner assign based PostgreSQL role will on this database. Okay, template clone from existing database structure, usually template 1. Okay, encoding means define character set, ETF is the default and most used. LC log collect means affect order by behavior in queries, example sorting language. LCC type affect characteristic character classification like upper lower case detection. Table space means we are specifying storage location. Allow connection means if false, no user can connect to the database. So here it is true, right? So it will allow user to connect to the database. And connection limit use -1 for unlimited connection default, or specify a limit. So here it is always good practice to specify some limits as per the requirement from application side. Okay, if true, this DB can be cloned by a template by others. So I like I make it false because I don't want to someone clone this DB, right? So so I make it false. If be create like true, then anybody and people can clone it with the same. Okay, so this is the full command. So I'm not going with the all the options. So I just write it here one syntax. In that we will create a HR database with few options. I'm using some limited options from this. You can either use full option or you can go with like some specific option, like I need encoding UTF-8 and connection limit should be 100. So we are following this command. Okay, so let me create this database here. See, database created. Fine. Now I also mention some commands here. Here this is the command. Using that command you can use you can see how many database currently there. So one database we created as HR. Okay, one is sales, right? We created two database currently, and this is the previous database which was created, and this is the default database which comes with the PostgreSQL. So you can see here, right? And now you can also use this command. I will paste the link in the video description, so you have all the commands. So if you want more details, you can use this command, like decoding, encoding, and that C type. If you simply want to show the database name, then you can use this command, correct? And you can just verify which user you are currently connected. So this user is the Postgres is the owner of these databases. Okay, see, Postgres is the owner of this database, and RDS admin is the owner of this database. Cells and edges are be created under Postgres, so these are the owner for this database. So this is all about database creation in Postgres. In next video, we will see alter database.